Hi, Marcus English here from Hewison Private Wealth. Today I'm just putting together a brief video through this whole coronavirus crisis that we're in the midst of. There's naturally a lot of questions coming up with regard to insurance, and I thought I'd address a few of them today. So the first one is whether in fact people are covered for coronavirus. The quick answer is, generally speaking, most good quality policies don't have pandemic exclusions. So assuming other criteria policies are met, then yes, you are insured. Same goes for income protection, assuming a waiting period is met. In particular with trauma cover, look, pandemics aren't necessarily one of the conditions that are covered under those policies, but in some severe cases there may in fact be a possible claim in the event of a coma, or even if you're in hospital, severe conditions, on ventilation and so forth. Now, another one that's coming up a lot, does income protection cover involuntary unemployment? Unfortunately, it's not the case. However, there can be a waiver of premium if you have lost your job or your business has had to be shut down. Then we are looking at avenues, and a lot of the providers are in fact providing relief to get out of paying the premiums for up to 3, in some cases 6 months. How could it affect new policies? This is a bit of an interesting area, and I'm seeing different things from different insurers. But in theory, when you apply for a policy, it is the insurer's one opportunity to assess you as an individual risk. And naturally, with all of this going on, there's a lot of uncertainty. I have seen in some cases where people are planning to travel, perhaps have flu-like symptoms at the moment, high risk category. We are seeing it pop up as an exclusion. In some cases I've had insurance declined in the last week, but more, I guess, will be revealed as we go on, and we see more of these cases, I guess. Options for affordability. If people have lost their jobs or income has declined as a result of all of this, and people are then looking at ways that they can save a bit of money, and often these premiums aren't cheap. So I've had a lot of people ask what some of the options are. Look, in some cases, well, I mentioned before the premium waiver, that is available in some cases. Some policies can be suspended for up to 12 months, but keep in mind that during this time you're not in fact insured. Another possibility might be changing the ownership. So in some cases there might be the opportunity to move the insurance under a superannuation type structure, so that the premiums in the meantime aren't a cash flow burden. So that might be something that's worth exploring. Anyway, I hope you've found this of use, and I hope everyone's taking care during this time. Thank you.